Today, I will show you how to slow down audio in Adobe Audition. Start by making sure you have your audio clip in the timeline. Double-click on the waveform to select the entire audio. Then go to the top menu bar and click on Effects. Hover your mouse over Time and Pitch, and then click on Stretch and Pitch. A new window will open. Here, you can change the speed of your audio by adjusting its duration or by entering a specific value. For example, if your clip is 2 minutes long and you want to make it slower, you can type in 2 minutes and 30 seconds in the new duration field. Below that, you'll see an option to lock pitch shift and stretch. This keeps the pitch consistent with the changes you make in speed. You can also use the stretch slider to adjust the playback speed manually. Moving the slider to the right will slow down the audio, and you'll notice the new duration change above. Once you're happy with the result, click on Apply. And that's it. That's how you can slow down audio in Adobe Audition.